Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another detail here at Jay's Auto Detailing. On today's episode, I'm going to be cleaning up this Harley Softail you see behind me. The other one, the orange one, the Street Glide, I cleaned that the other day. Both bikes belong to the same owner. He's getting ready to put them away for the winter time. So he just wants to get them cleaned up so they're ready to roll out in the spring. So I'm going to get this Harley over into the wash bay and we'll get started. So the plan for this bike is to give it a thorough wash. You can see that some of the chrome has a little bit of oxidation on it, so that's going to wind up getting a good polish, and throw a coat of sealant on it, and this thing should be ready to go. Shouldn't take too terribly long to do this bike. His other bike wasn't bad either. It just needed a general cleaning. There were a lot of bugs on the front just from being out riding over the summer, and I'm pretty sure the same thing is going to be with this one. So let's get started. All right, so that's a wrap on this Harley detail. Wasn't too bad, but it's the end of the season. They just wanted to get it cleaned up before they put it away for the winter time. That way it's ready to roll out in the spring and they won't have to do much for a maintenance clean. All the products that I use on this detail, I will put down below in the description. So if you're curious, check those out down there. Just to run through them real quick, for the wash, I use 3D pink soap in the foamer. Foamed the whole bike down and then gave it a gentle wash. Also on the white walls on this bike, they were a little bit yellowish. I used Superior Products Whitewall Cleaner. Does excellent work on the white walls. As you can see, those got super bright after a light scrub and then a rinse. So that stuff works wonders on white wall and raised white letters. Once I was done with that, I blew it off with the Tornador blowgun. Very easy to get water out of all the cracks and crevices, especially on a motorcycle. There are a lot of areas where the water can sit. After I was done with that, I went over all of the chrome with 3D metal polish. Very light oxidation was on the chrome after I washed it, so it didn't really need a heavy polish. So it was very light polish, went around, got that all cleaned up, squared away. Then you saw me use some interior cleaner on the leather seat itself, gave it a quick scrub with a Scrub Ninja, and then applied P&S Leather treatment onto the seat itself to add some UV protection and also keep that leather seat nice and soft. At the end, I was using Superior Products ceramic spray sealant, just as a topper and a final wipe down on all of the paint on the front windshield and also all of the chrome to give it that final touch. And this thing is ready to go. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for watching the detail on this Harley, and we will see you on the next one.